Welcome back, everyone, to beautiful Salt Lake City. We have completed our journey through Idaho. It was an absolutely amazing time. I had one of the best vacations of my life in Idaho with my father this time. We got to do a bunch of different things, explore new portions, as well as revisit some iconic stops in Idaho. And now we're back in good old Salt Lake City. So yeah, guys, we're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn, which is near Wiley Post Way. Kind of really close to the airport. It's a really good proximity to the airport, so that way we could get out of here on our last day. And I'll show you the view from outside here, our window. You guys could see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like from outside of our view. We have an executive suite. So this is going to be a 2-king executive suite review at the Hilton Garden Inn. Over here, you can see we have our desk, of course, with a nice little light. And this is a very nice contemporary room here. There's a nice little seat in the corner, some modern artwork. That's pretty, the mountains with the trees. And then over here we got some really soft and comfortable beds too. That's gonna be awesome. Get a good night's sleep. And of course, just like all the other hotels, Hilton Garden Inn, welcome Lewis. And these also have really big drawers too for all your stuff, which is great. Then over here you have a charger, a couple chargers for your phone, and cameras if you like. And I excuse the all the luggage and stuff, guys. We have a ton of stuff with us this time on this adventure. But this is what this place looks like, guys. And then over here you have, of course, your Keurig, the microwave, and your coffee machine, as well as your mini fridge too, right down there. So that's good. And over there is our luggage storage. I'm not going to show you that because we have all of our stuff there. But here we go. Here's the beautiful bathroom. Nice and clean too. Look at that. I like that countertop. And then there's what the mirror looks like. So it's a very clean hotel. And I've stayed here before with my dad in November. There's a conjoined restaurant as well as an indoor pool and hot tub. So we're going to go and enjoy that today too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the room tour here. All the things that it has to offer. It's really massive. And for the next 2 days, we're actually flying out on Wednesday. And today is Sunday. So I have a few more days of exploration in Utah. And I'm actually going to go and do a few more things for like a solo travel adventure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Hilton Garden Inn Executive Suite review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will showcase the rest of the hotel in this video. Alright guys, let's check out the pool here at the Hilton Garden Inn, Salt Lake City. So this wasn't actually open the last time we were here in November. It was actually closed for repairs. This is nice, isn't it? They got it back up and running. So I think we're gonna go in now.
I think so too.
It's beautiful. And you get a nice view out here so everyone can see you. Look at that. Nice sunset out there. Just gorgeous. So yeah, guys, it has been a great day. We are back here in Utah, and now we're gonna go and enjoy the pool, and I will see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, we're gonna go check out the exercise room here, the fitness center. And I mentioned earlier there was a hot tub. There actually isn't, but it's hot enough outside, so. There we go. Alright. They got some Pelotons. Those are nice. They got a lot of nice treadmills and stuff.
Elliptical machines.
Yeah, they got the jump thing, the jump box,
Did you do this?
weighted bowls. So yeah, they have pretty much everything, and then also you could get water over here, complimentary water. Get some towels. Pretty much everything you need in a fitness center.